Hi, my name is Brendan. I'm with AB Marine, and today we're going to be installing a GORI 3-bladed Saildrive propeller. First thing you do is remove your old prop. You want to take off the spacer that comes with your Saildrive and make sure that the spline is clean and there is no debris that is going to be up around the seal. So first thing, you put your spacer back onto the spline. Apply a small bit of grease to the spline. Next step is you want to double check that your spline hub cone fits on. Now we've ensured that the spline hub cone will slide all the way forward up against your spacer. Next, you want to take the retaining ring and the spline hub cone and slide them on together. Your propeller will come with a bag from GORI with the supplied nut for your Saildrive thread, locking glue, as well as the locking fastener for the spline nut. The GORI supplied locking glue should be applied to the spline thread and the spline nut thread. For this Saildrive, you can either use a strap wrench to hold it while you're torquing it, or you can put the transmission into gear to lock the spline from turning. And this will be torqued to 72 foot-pounds. Next, you want to install the spline nut locking fastener. And make sure that you apply the locking glue to the fastener thread. The locking fastener is torqued to 10 foot-pounds. Next, you install the nut locking set screws. GORI will supply you with 2 of them with your propeller. There's one on each side of the nut. Install them using the locking glue. And now we're ready to install the blade assembly. Next, take the aft hub assembly and you want to line up the metal studs here, which is the GORI Get Home feature, with the slots here and the rubber bushing. Next, you want to take the forward retaining ring, apply a little bit of grease to the threads, and begin to thread it onto the aft hub assembly. Using the supplied C-spanner, thread the forward ring onto the aft hub assembly. Now you will see that the forward ring and the hub locking bolt registers are off by about half a hole. Once the locking bolt holes are close, you want to take a block of wood to keep the propeller from spinning, and you will torque with your C-spanner the forward ring to line up with the locking bolts. Next, you want to take the locking glue and the jacket locking bolts apply Loctite to the threads and fasten them in place. They will be just below, flush with the surface. Now your GORI propeller is fully installed. Finally, check to make sure that the blades are folding properly. This is a left-handed propeller. The rounded edge is the leading edge and forward. And this is when the propeller goes into reverse. And having the leading edge in reverse gives you 100% reverse thrust. If going in forward and you want to use the overdrive feature, this is the leading edge in overdrive mode. The overdrive feature is now giving additional thrust, additional speed when at your cruising RPM for motor sailing.